So it sounds like there are a lot of ways to actually get paid.
Well, there are. And I know that explaining those different ways to you, a person who's never been in network marketing, probably may be a little bit confusing. You know, it's kind of like going into a automobile dealership, since we're speaking of cars, and saying, I want to see this Mercedes-Benz. And maybe the salesperson lifts up the hood and starts to explain the entire engine to you. That would be confusing.
That would be confusing. Yes, it would.
I'm sure it would be. And typically the way I'm sure you've bought cars of maybe just take a test drive, see how it feels, so that you can tell whether or not that car is going to perform the way that you want it to. So why don't I take you through a test drive?
Let's go.
Of the Organo Gold compensation plan. Okay? So I'll ask you a couple questions, and this is going to determine whether or not the Organo Gold vehicle, whether or not you see yourself being able to drive the vehicle of success called Organo Gold.
Okay.
Now, first question is this here. Based on the way this coffee tastes, the latte that you just taste, do you believe that, let's just say within a 30-day period of time, that you can change the brand of coffee of at least 10 of your neighbors or family members, friends, co-workers, wherever it is, just 10. Change it from Folgers to Organo Gold, Starbucks to Organo Gold, Dunkin' Donuts or Kaffe to Organo Gold. Just 10 people. Do you believe that you can get that done?
I do. I do. After tasting that, yes, I do.
Okay. Now, let me share with you what you just answered to. 10 customers in Organo Gold, the average customer buys about 2 boxes of coffee on a monthly basis. What we find our distributors doing is that they mark this product up. There's about a $15 markup on this coffee, almost 100% of the cost. So if you look at $15 per box times 2 boxes, that's going to be $30. But you've got 10 customers. That means that's a $300 retail profit because people drink coffee every single day. And so just imagine, just doing step 1 of the Organo Gold vehicle, that's $300 a month or $3,600 for the year, and it only took you 30 days to get that work done. That's step 1 of the test drive. Let's talk about step 2 of this test drive. Can you imagine with this particular model being able to show people how to earn a $300 a month income by just getting 10 customers in that example? Can you imagine the leadership team that I've already told you about, the success that we've already had in Organo Gold, and 6 years doing $1 billion in sales? Do you believe that we can actually show you how to build a team? Let's just say in 18 months of at least 1,000 distributors who want to go out and get 10 customers? Do you believe that's possible?
Yeah, it sounds great too.
Okay. Now, let's just imagine what took place when you answered yes to that. This is the test drive. When you look at 1,000 distributors, remember, you're not going to go out and get all 1,000. In this example, let's just say that you went out and we shared with you how to expose it to 10 people who wanted to start a business. Well, those 10 sponsored 10 people, so now you've got 100. Those 100 sponsored 10, now you've got 1,000. Now, it's probably not going to go exactly like that, but that's just an example to let you know that you don't have to do all of the work. But now you've got a network of 1,000 distributors, each in this example who've gotten 10 customers, which means your network will pay you on 10,000 customers. In this example here, each customer is buying 2 boxes of product per month. What we do is we assign a 15 CV commissionable volume to every box of coffee that you sold on the average. So when you look at it, when you've got that many boxes of coffee that's been sold, 1,000 distributors times 10 customers, 10,000, each buying 2 boxes, 20,000 times 15 CV, it's going to give you 300,000 commissionable volume within your network. Now, this is how Organo Gold pays you, and this is the beauty of network marketing. Organo Gold's commissions can be somewhere between 8% or 12% on that volume. It all depends on how your business is structured. It could be a little less than 8, but it even could be a little bit more than 12%. In this example, let's just take the average and let's say 10%. 10% on 300,000 commissionable volume is a pretty hefty monthly income.
Yes, it is.
And that's why so many professionals are attracted to this business model, because it's easy, it's simple, it's coffee.